Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by locating the source of spam. Identify which command block or function is triggering rapid commands. Once done, isolate the area by enabling spam protection or using a temporary world border to prevent spread. Make sure to back up the world and related region files first so you can restore if something breaks. You will want console access and operator permissions. Without those, you cannot remove or edit command blocks. Now proceed to the targeted removal step with confidence. Next, you stop execution by disabling the blocks themselves. If it's a repeating command block, change it to impulse or set its condition to needs redstone so it no longer fires continuously. Once disabled, use /setBlock or world edit replace to remove clusters quickly. Remove connected redstone repeaters and torches to break loops. Also check functions and data packs for recursive calls and temporarily disable or rename offending files. As you work, keep testing small sections to confirm. Finally, restore normal operations step by step. Re-enable systems gradually while monitoring server TPS and logs so you catch regressions early. Make sure to update configs, add permission checks, throttle command execution with scoreboard counters, or implement rate-limiting plugins to prevent repeat incidents. If things go wrong, roll back to the backup you created and rerun inspections on the region. One troubleshooting tip: if spam persists, search for hidden function calls and cron-style scheduled tasks that can reintroduce commands.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.